Hello friends, today I am installing the A-Zone LED solar wall light. This is a security light that's obviously solar powered. And what we're going to need is a level. I have a screwdriver. I'm just using my impact driver. You have the light itself with the mounting template, and the screws. So I'm going to put this up on the side of my house that doesn't have any lighting, and show you how to do that real quick. So let me get this up on the tripod here for you. Alright, so what I also did was I got a pen also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my level out, and I want it right about here, I'm thinking. Get my level out, make sure this is level. That is pretty darn close to being level, so I'm going to mark my dots right there on the template. Okay, so I got my two little holes marked here real good. That's where I'm going to be putting my screws. So first thing we're going to do set this on there. Get my one screw in there. I'm going to start. Do that. There. You know what, I might just start my screws first a little bit. One. My goodness. I'm doing well right now. Okay, sometimes it's just easier to have a pilot hole going. That way I can get these situated just right. Alright, so I'm going to get my first screw in here. Put that one on the side right here. Keep that lined up, and I'm just going to put it in just a little bit. And then I'll get my other screw, make sure it's lined up perfectly. All the way in. There we go. That's on there. Okay, next we're taking our solar light. You know what? I could probably get a little closer for you guys. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm going to put the light on over this. So that just goes on there like that. Let me get the screw up there. So that goes through here. The screw's got a little. It said to do this first, but I wanted to make sure I get my screws in there, because if you had this on there first and then you tried to screw those in, it'd be a harder angle to get at your screws right there. You'd have to have like that. You know what I mean? So that's why I put that on last. Alright, so let's tighten this on there. That's the other side. And this can be adjusted to however you want. I think Well, I could be up like that too. Just looks a little bit crooked, but it's good enough, I think. So I guess it could be out of the way, yeah. So I could have put that on first, like the instructions said to, and then just move the light up like that, and that'd be out of the way. I think I'm going to angle it something like this, and that way I can get some sunlight and everything else. So just cinch down my screw over here on the side, make that nice and tight. And it says to wait a couple days for it to get fully charged before I turn it on. So that's how to install the light there from A-Zone. You can pick this up off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching this install video, and I'll be doing a review pretty soon. I have to wait a couple days for the solar panel to get charged up fully, and then we'll be checking it out. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there. All right, friends, so here is the outdoor light here. Just turned it on after charging for a couple days. And you see how I got a little closer, it got brighter, and puts out some pretty good light here. Pretty happy with that. Backyard, or the side yard here, is actually got some good light here now. So, yeah, works great. All I did is push the little button on the bottom, and now it stays on during the night, and if it senses any motion, it gets 100% brighter, or to 100% brightness. So there it is in the night, and it's working really good. Now my side yard has some decent amount of visibility. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hey friends, so final thoughts on the A-Zone 360 degree solar light motion detector. Anyways, pretty happy with it. It works great, decently bright. The motion sensor works good. I like how it just kind of stays on, lightened up the area, and then if motion is detected, it gets all the way brighter. So pretty cool little light. Really happy with the results. My side yard is now illuminated and not all dark at night, so it's a decent little LED light. Seems to be working good so far. Install was a snap, as you guys saw. Thanks for watching this review. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.